Richard, hi, it's Todd. I told you I would get you a video of this bike functioning before you received it, so I am going to give you a cold start and just demonstrate that it is in fact functioning correctly and all that good stuff. So the bike hasn't run since that day, when was it, last week I guess, when I sent you that picture with the sunset. So it has been sitting for, geez, what is it, a week now? Yeah, obviously it's completely cold. I just rolled it out. So typical theory with this one is it'll usually start 1 or 2 kicks usually. Decompression lever, that's usually all it needs. So have it on reserve because I don't keep that much fuel in it. Lever's on. Choke is on. That is consistently all it ever takes to get it started. Once it's completely warm, the idle will pick up, as you can expect. I'm not sure if the signals will work, and if we'll be able to see them. Yeah, I think you can see it. Sorry if it's blurry, I can't keep readjusting it, the focus too well. At night. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. You can already hear the idle picking up. See if I can get the brake. Right, horn. The horn's being a little feisty. Might need to adjust that again. It's working fine, but obviously it's a little cranky. I will take this down the road quick just so you can see and hear the bike moving. You should be able to see the road where the camera is sitting. just to show you that it will crank up again when it's warm. There are a couple things that I'm going to touch up before it arrives on your doorstep. I had told you about the exhaust, so it had really started to brown for me up here at the header, so I'm going to touch that up. I'm trying to think what else. It's really a pretty, overall pretty clean. I mean, it's even not since I've ridden it. I mean, I've kept up with making sure it stayed clean, so it looks as good as it possibly can when you get it. Trying to think, I don't think there's anything else that's really a concern. But if you happen to see anything or want me to double check anything or whatever, anything at all, just let me know and I will address it before the bike leaves. Alright, thanks.